Good morning, everybody. Class 5, all students. How are you? I hope you are well. So, today I am continuing your online classes, and now I am going to revise your chapters. So, in the previous day, I have already completed revision work 4A and 4E. Exercise 4A and 4B. Today, I start 4C. And that is 4C is how you convert the fraction to decimals, decimal to fractions, and I will discuss some rules also. Okay, now I start chapter 4C, exercise 4C. So 4C, question number 1, convert the following into decimals. 72 by 1000 equal to 0.072. Okay, and B, 45 by 100 equal to 0.45. Okay, C, 429 by 100 equal to 4, divide 400 minus 29.0, that is 200 900, that is 900, that is answer 4.29. Okay, D, 1700, I have do this A and B, I have done here A and B. Okay, D, that is 1763 by 1000, that is if we divide it 1763, that is 0.07, 7630, that is 0.0, that is 6000, that is 3003. So 1.763, that is 1163 by 1000. Okay, E, 4152 by 1000, that is 4000. 152.0, that is 100, 520.0, that is 500,000, 2000, 2000. Okay, F, 6159 by 1000, that is 6000, 159.0, 1000, 5900, 5000, that is 900.0, 9000. So answer 6.159. G, 841 by 1000, that is 841,000, so nahi gaya, so 0, 0.0, that is 8,000, 410, 4,000, that is 100, 1,000, 1,000, that is 0.841, that is 841 by 1000. Okay, H, that is 17,354 by 10,000, that is 10,000, 73540, so 7,000.0, that is 7,000, 35,400, that is 30,000, 54,000, 54,000, 50,000, that is 40,000, 40,000, that is answer 1.7354. Question number 2, convert the following into fractions, that is 9.152 equal to 9,152 by 1000. This 9,152 by 1000. 56.005, 56,005 by 1000. C, 179.005, that is 179,005, 1,79,005 by 1000. D, 841.04, 84,104 by 100. E, 84.010, that is 84,010 by 1000. F, 179.212, that is 1,79,212 by 10,000. G, 56.1573, that is 55,61,573 by 10,000. 651.18376, that is 1, 10, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh crore. 6 crore 51 lakh 18,376 by 1, 10, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 1 lakh. Okay, I repeat it again. 9.152, 9 by 152 by 1000, that is 9,152 by 1000. 56.005, 56,005 by 1000. C, 179.005, 179,005, that is 1,79,005 by 1000. 841.04, that is 84,104 by 100. 84.010, that is 84,010 by 1000. 179.212, that is 1,79,212 by 1000. 56.1573, that is 5,61,573 by 10,000. 651.18376, that is 6,51,18,376 by 1 lakh. 1, 10, 100,000, 10,000 lakh. Okay. Now I discuss some rules about decimals. Number 1. To convert a fraction having 10 in the denominator, we put the decimal point one place left of the first digit in the numerator. For example, 8 by 10. For example, 8 by 10 equal to 0.8. 25 by 10, 2.5. 114 by 10, 11.4, etc. 1 point, if the point is 10, denominator contains 10, then we left hand side one digit के बाद we put the point. Number 2, to convert a fraction having 100 in the denominator, we put the decimal point two places left of the first digit in the numerator. Example, 5 by 100 equal to 0.05. 67 by 100 equal to 0.67, and 853 by 100 equal to 8.53. Okay. 3. To convert a fraction having 1000 in the denominator, we put the decimal point three places left of the first digit in the numerator. For example, 3 by 1000 equal to 0.003. 44 by 1000 equal to 0.044. That is 666 by 1000 equal to 0.666. 5555 by 1000 equal to 5.555. Okay. Then I draw a column, that is table, that is decimal point 652.10328, that is 6 into 100, 600, 5 into 10, 500, 2 into 1, 2. Point 3 by 10, 0.3, 2 by 100, 0.02, 8 by 1000, 0.008. So we can write 652.328 in the expanded form as 600.50. 600 plus 50 plus 2 plus 3 by 10 plus 2 by 100, 100 plus 8 by 1000. Like decimals, all decimal numbers having the same number of decimal places are called like decimals. It is 20.8, 1.6, 100.5. सब decimals के बाद one digit. So these are called like decimals. Unlike decimals, decimals numbers having defined number of decimal places are called unlike decimals. 3.8 example, 5.26, 4.168 are unlike decimal point, one digit, two digit, three digit. So different. We can convert set of unlike decimals into a set of like decimals or equivalent decimals by placing zeros on the right of the decimal part. That is 4.02 and 3.6 are unlike decimals. If we convert them into like decimals, we put 1 0 to the right of the decimal part of 3.6 and write 3.60. Now both decimal numbers have two decimal places and they 4.02 and 3.60. So placing any number of zeros to the right of the decimal part does not change its value. So 0.2, 0.20, 0.200 are equivalent decimals. Okay. In case of comparison of decimals, we should follow the following points. If we compare it, greater than, less than, the decimals numbers has a whole part and a decimal part. The decimal numbers with the greater whole part is greater. Greater increase, decrease. For example, 6.09 is greater than 5.98 because the whole part 6 is greater than the whole part 5. First of all, we look after the whole part, then we look after the decimal part. If the whole parts are equal, first convert the given decimals into like decimals and then compare. First we compare the digits in the tens place. Decimal number with the greater digit in the tens place is greater. For example, 2.75 is smaller than 2.85. That is 2 equal. If the digits in the tens place are equal, compare the digits in the hundreds place. The decimal number with the greater digit in the hundreds place is greater. For example, 0.33 greater than 0.32. That is 3 greater than 2. 5.89 greater than 5.82, 8 equal, लेकिन 9 greater than 2. If the digits in the tens and hundreds place are same, then the decimal number with the greater digit in the thousands place is greater. For example, 61.358 greater than 61.351. That is 8 is greater than 1, hundreds place. So thousands place. So in this process, we have to change decimal numbers into others. Okay. Okay, today I revised exercise 4 chapter 4 exercise C, that is 4C. I revised in class, that is fraction convert into decimals and decimals into fractions, and give some rules about how you put your decimal points, and then I discuss like fraction or like fractions, and how you compare the greater decimals, greater to less and greater to smallest and smallest to greater, some rules I have also discussed in the class. And so today I complete revision exercise chapter 4 exercise C, and next day I start exercise D, and you also revise all these sums at home, and your question, according to your question you have to give your answers. And so I hope you all well and keep yourself good and healthy. Today I complete 4C, next day I start 4D. Okay, thank you.